Kerfab's actually an amazing place to work. I've felt like I've just been right at home here, and everyone's so welcoming, so happy. It's made me feel really good.
You have a bit of banter, but yeah, the morale and that with the team is pretty good. Yeah, have a laugh.
It's fast-paced, it's enjoyable and rewarding.
I've only been in Australia 5 years. This is my 4th job since I've been here, and it's definitely the best job I've had since I've been here.
Yeah, I started here. We only had this shed on the left here, and there was only 3 of us welding. Well, it's about 15 now. Been a big change.
I started here as a welder a year ago, and yeah, now I'm a robot operator.
It's great to see the products rolling out the door and they're finished, completed, and they meet the customer's needs. Another product ends up in a happy customer's hands.
It's been a bit challenging at times, but then when you're seeing the outcomes, it starts to feel really rewarding.
In the near future, within 6 months, I'm going to be taught how to use all the other machinery around, I'm really looking forward to that.
It does, yeah. It makes you want to get out of bed of a morning and go to work.
Yeah, it's a good place to work, yeah.